Good morning. I'm coming to you today to try to show you a little activity that deals with some of the geometry that's going on in class. It's a fun activity to make, and we get to practice angles and measurement and create something beautiful at the same time. So today I'm going to start out with a round circle. With this round circle, there's a variety of different things that you can do. Today I'm going to make a triangular pyramid. So I'll turn the screen down and give you directions as I create the triangular pyramid using a circle. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to take our circle and fold it in half. It is important that the edges meet evenly. And this crease you can make a nice deep crease right away. Now the second piece, we need to divide this into thirds. So we talk about degrees in a circle being 360, half 180. I'm going to divide it into thirds. How many? It would be 180 divided by 3. And then they figure out that it's 60 degrees. And we talk about 60 being more than 45, which is halfway, kind of like halfway between a book corner, and 90 degrees. So what I tell them is if you are matching your edges along here, then you know that your point will be in the middle. The other thing I'm hoping that you can see is as I'm looking at this, to divide it into two, I'm taking the two pieces and I want to try to get to a point where from here to here is equal from the middle to the opposite way. So I'm basically dividing this space in half. So I take a quick peek. When I think that I have it, again, checking that my edges are up, I'm going to do a light crease. I'm not going to make it really hard yet because I'm going to turn it over and pull it back and see if it's pretty darn close. They should match evenly on both sides. Actually, it was pretty darn close on that with 60 and 60. Once you know you're even, you can make those creases nice and hard. Next, you're going to open your circle up and you're going to take, you can see there are multiple creases. So I'm going to take one of my creases and bring it to the middle point. And once I have that, I can make that a nice, good crease. Then I turn it clockwise. Might be opposite on your video, just because of how I'm using it. I'm going to keep my thumb down here. I'm going to look for that next crease, which is right here, and I'm going to take that towards the center. The important piece here is I want to make sure this makes a really nice point, so I'm going to look for my center and pull it until that meets there and make my crease. Now it kind of looks like an ice cream cone. Kids tend to say, oh, it looks like an ice cream cone. All right, then you come to your third one. Again, I'm using my hand here to kind of hold the point, kind of start the point, and I want to do kind of the same thing over here, make sure it's not a super hard crease until I get them both in, flattened. And once I have that, I can crease it hard. So now I have my triangle with three really sharp points. I'm going to take the point from the opposite side to the crease, straight across to the crease. You can feel it. Often you can't see it, but you can kind of feel where that crease is. Take it straight across, make a crease, kind of open it up, go to the next one. What I can do is use my first fold, triangular fold, as a guide. And once I have it straight across, make that flat. And then here, same thing. Bring it across, make sure that it fits in between my pieces, and press it down. When you are done, you have your triangular pyramid. Now I can tape it along one side, or two sides, no, one side, and leave it open so I can stick a little something inside. I can attach a string to the top. It's a great little gift box. The other thing you can do is write your message on the inside and send that, and then give that to someone as a thank you, or as a gift. So that is our triangular pyramid.